Brent's Burgers.
Okay, we have a review coming to you from an establishment just outside Shelburne. The place that I've gone today is an interesting, well, it's an interesting location for one. So again, it's just outside Shelburne. It's on the corner of Highway 10 South, and I don't know what the other road is. It's basically an intersection, there's lights there, and on one side there's this one burger place, and then on the other side of the road there's another. So they're sort of both are on the corner, and there's a road in between them. The one that I've gone to today is called Champ Burger. I drove by it in the past several times, and I thought I need to go there eventually. I've previously been to the one across the road. It's called Super Burger. It was solid. It's much more modern. So this sort of looks like the OG. So first, I found a couple reviews, because again, I always look at reviews first. Champ Burger is rated 0.1 lower than Super Burger. Super Burger is 4.5, Champ Burger is 4.1. But these are the first few reviews that I read. Ahmed Z says, every summer I ride 120 kilometers to eat a burger from there. And then he has a little burger emoji. So right off the bat, if somebody's willing to cycle 120 kilometers for a burger, it's probably pretty good. Vanessa says, I ordered a 4-ounce burger and onion rings. The onion rings could be crispier. You're ordering a vegetable, like a fried vegetable. What do you expect here? But I still love this place for on the way to the cottage. It has memories. So it's good enough that it is maintaining a spot in her mind, in her heart, and that is, again, encouraging to me. Vivek says, amazing food, washrooms are not clean, service and staff is helpful. The food was made really well, was very filling. Decent food. This one's lower rate. In decent food, it's like Five Guys and a burger where everything is separate, as it should be. Pretty expensive. Last time I went, it made me sick, though. Customer service is good. Place is clean. Okay, so a 2-star review and lots of positive things. Really, the only negative thing there was that it made her, I guess it made her sick, which is unfortunate, but who knows, maybe she was sick with longing for another burger. We don't know that. She didn't give us those details. So all in all, the ratings are pretty good. There's a few other ones that say it's very expensive. When I went in there, initially I was thinking, what are they talking about? Because I looked at the prices, and for like a 4-ounce burger it was $8.29. A 6-ounce burger was only $8.99, and I love the fact that you get another 2 ounces and are only paying like another 70 cents or whatever. I didn't do the math there, but something like that. I made a mistake though. I ordered bacon, which normally if that's an option I'll do it. The bacon, when she rang me through and I started like calculating the cost, it was $3.49. That's over a third the price of the burger for the bacon. So that is a little ridiculous, okay? Hopefully it's delicious. Champ Burger. Okay, we'll get this out here and have a go at it. Okay, again, Vetra move similar to Johnny Fresco's. The wrapper, they have the tin foil on the inside. So they've been doing this for a while. Okay, let's take a look at the bun here. Okay, the bun is... Take a look there. I know the sun is sort of throwing off the whatever. It's almost like a brioche/bakery hybrid, it feels like. Okay? The bacon does look very good. Okay? The patty also looks pretty good. As you can gain from my facial expressions. Folks, I can't really talk today. But yeah, they have the lettuce, all the condiments on the bottom. So they had a bunch of veteran moves coming into this, and then just a huge, huge rookie move putting all that on the bottom. What are you doing? Okay, let's give it a bite. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. The problem right now, folks, okay, again, I'm going to show you this. When you put the lettuce and the condiments on the bottom, it gets all soggy and sloppy. There's no reason to do it. I don't know where this became a thing. It needs to stop, and it needs to stop soon. Okay, and again, the bottom bun is sliding all over the place. I'm going to take one more bite and I'll give it a rating. Yeah, it's sliding all over the place. Okay, here's the verdict for the burger. In terms of the actual patty, it's actually sort of similar to the Our Compliments burgers, which I rated at my brother's place. Again, I'm sure there's a term for this type of patty, but it's like almost granular inside it. I would hazard to say the Our Compliments one tastes a little bit better because they've got a sweetness to them that isn't with this patty, but I do like the texture of this, okay? My condiments are all falling out because they're on the bottom. It's easy for them to slip out. It's soggy there. The taste is good. My verdict for this is going to be, I've got this hanging out somewhere around, I think, a 7.5. 7.6. 7.6. Because I was thinking about my rating the other day. It is better than Hero Burger in London. Not spectacular. I'd say it's around a 7.6. The bottom of this bun is just super, super soggy. And that's a condiment issue. It's a condiment assembly issue. So overall rating, not a bad burger. Decently, it tastes pretty good. Yeah, value-wise, if you just get it plain and don't add bacon, it's comparable to other places. It's not great value. It's not atrocious. It sort of is what it is. If you put bacon on it, then it's just ridiculously overpriced. So overall experience, pretty meh. I was hoping for a little bit more. It's not a bad burger. I am excited to finish it and to be able to focus on it so that all this stuff is not falling out. But yeah, for a place that's been around that long, you would hope they would sort of have that figured out, and they don't. It's unfortunate. Not bad, though. 7.5, Champ Burger, Shelburne.